How to improve your foliage quality? Well, the best thing over here is use two-sided foliage shading. Two-sided foliage shading model allows light transmission through the surface of the material, creating natural, uniform-looking results, like light passing through the leaves of the tree. What over here is still not working. The surface color is used to define the amount of light transmission and is used for creating masks for things such as stems of veins of the leaf. The two-side foliage shading model helps eliminate some issues presenting in the subsurface scattering model, which works well on skin or thicker surfaces but is not as accurate for thin surfaces like leaves. Similarly, using the default lead shading model for foliage can lead to incorrect looking results. So if you will take a look over here on my trees right now, so you will see that they are a little bit dark. So the light is not passing through those leaves and they are not looking good. So how we can fix this? Over here I have the static meshes of my trees, and if I will double click on it, I will be able to open the mesh, and then I have to go to the material. So I'm going to material, I will open this material, and this is still not that because we need the default, like the parent material. So I'm clicking on it, I will close those two windows, and over here, if I will open this parent material, so you can see that my shading model for those trees is the subsurface profile. As I have told you before, so this may create not accurate results, which we can see right now. So if I will change this in the drop-down menu, I will select the two-sided foliage and I will click apply, and now pay attention on those leaves. So I'm clicking apply, and as you can see, they look completely different. They look really excellent. They look very natural. And if we'll come closer, I will save this, I will close this window, and we'll be able to come a little bit closer. So if we will come closer to those leaves, you can see the very, very small details, and they really look excellent. So I hope that it will help you too. So if you like this manual, please give me the like, subscribe to my channel to not miss the other videos, and I really hope to see you in my next manual. So love all of you. Bye bye.